Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. He is able who thinks he is able. Be greatly aware of the present. Be vigilant, guard your mind against negative thoughts. Buddha. Life is suffering. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Buddha. Yesterday is not ours to recover, but tomorrow is ours to win or lose. Sooner or later, we have all got to let go of our past. You have got to know when it is time to turn the page. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. You cannot travel the path until you have become the path itself. You cannot move forward if you are still hanging on. Nothing in the universe can stop you from letting go and starting over. Anything you can't control is teaching you how to let go. Sometimes the hardest part is not letting go, but rather learning to start over. Forgive yourself for your faults and your mistakes and move on. Every day is a new day, and you will never be able to find happiness if you don't move on. The secret of success is to do the common thing uncommonly well. Stop chasing the money and start chasing the passion. Remembering a wrong is like carrying a burden on the mind. The past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. The past is a place of learning, not a place of living. We cannot change the past. We can only take action in the present and therefore change the future. Only the dead have seen the end of war. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes, smart enough to profit from them, and strong enough to correct them. Behind every adversity is an opportunity. If you lament over the adversity, you will miss the opportunity. The tongue, like a sharp knife, kills without drawing blood. The wise ones fashion speech with their thought, sifting it as a grain is sifted through a sieve. Buddha. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.